Hi friends, this is my Unix 7th experiment. I am going to open my system call. In my system call, I am going to read and write data. The first thing is I am going to declare two variables called f1, fd1 and fd2. Then I am going to declare a file name 1 and file name 2 with 10 characters. I am going to declare a buffer. In buffer, I am going to read 50. The buffer size is 50. Then I may enter my file name. Then I may read my file name. Then fd1 is equal to open of file name 1 comma open a file for write only option. Then if fd1 is equal to minus 1 means the file doesn't exist. Else I am going to read my file name with fd1 buffer and size of the buffer. Then the contents of the file are printed here. Then I am going to enter a file 2 to open the contents of the file first name, that is file name 1. Then I am going to read my file name 2. fd2 is equal to open of file name 2 open for write only purpose. Then fd2 is equal to minus 1. Then the file does not exist. Else write the fd2 buffer, then size of buffer. Then the copied contents are displayed here. I'm going to run the program. Then it asks for file name. My file name is mercy.txt. The contents of the file are hello and the file 2 to be copying contents of file name. Then in the file of mercy.txt, the contents are copied in this file name. Then my second question is seven. In this thing, I am going to enter two file names. First one is the source file name and the destination file name. Here I declared for fd, that is a variable, then the two file names in character, then buffer, then the third file name. First I am going to read f1 and f2, that is my two file names, source file name and the destination file name. There are two source file names and only one destination. Then the first thing is fd is equal to open of f1 read only. Then fd is equal to minus 1 means file does not exist. Then else read the things into the file. Then the next thing is fd is equal to open of f3 comma write only. If fd is equal to minus 1 means fd is equal to create of f3 in 0764. Then write the things in the file. Then fd is equal to open of f2 read only. Then if fd is equal to minus 1 means cout file doesn't exist. Else read fd buffer. Then fd is equal to open of f3 read only. fd is equal to 1 means we have to create fd in 0764. Then elsely fd of 11 comma 0. Then write fd buff comma 10. I entered two file names, that is the source file names mercy.txt and source.txt. Then I entered my destination file that is file1.txt. In my destination file, sorry, I didn't create that file name, so I'm going to create the file. No, this file name is that in the two files, that is mercy.txt and jones.txt, the two file contents are copied here. Then my next program is third one in C, in seventh one. Here I'm going to enter one file name. Then it will check the file, whether the file name is already exist or not. Then I'm going to write some content in the file name. First thing is in character in char I declare the file name with the size of 20, then int one variable, then there are two buffers, then I enter the first file name and then I read it, then whether I check the file is exist or not, then read fd buff size of buff, then I enter the file to write, then I read that file, so I'm going to write the contents in that file. And my first file name is mercy.txt. Enter the file to write file1.txt. So the contents of the file 1 is right in the file.1.txt. That's all about my 7th program. Thank you.